Hi everyone, doing a quick video tutorial on eyelash curlers today. I know a lot of you already use these, but if you don't, I will show you today how to get a good result with them. This is a pair by NARS, but you can get them from Superdrug, Boots, wherever you normally get your beauty products from. And they all look pretty similar actually. What I'm going to do is I've done the entirety of my makeup, particularly the eye makeup, and then I'm going to use my eyelash curler. So I like to do my all my eyeliner and all my eye makeup first, and then do my eyelash curlers. So what I'm going to do is just be really careful and with these. Obviously, I've been using these for many years, so I know exactly where to place them without even really looking in a mirror. So I can do this really easily and simply, but just be careful if it's the first time that you use them, just take good care. They're not really going to do you any damage, but you are really obviously super close to your eye, so you just want to be really careful. But there's nothing sharp or anything like that on there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to place the eyelash curler, if you can see, at the base of the lashes, and just make sure it's not pulling any of the lower lash hairs in there. So just make sure it's just doing the top ones only. Make sure it's comfortable. You don't want to be doing this for too long. And if you do have super sensitive eyes and they do water, then you could try it, but it's probably not a great thing for you because it might just make your eyes water more. But if you do have sensitive eyes, I just recommend taking the eyelash curler not to the very root, just sort of halfway up. But if you're okay, if you're not too sensitive, take it quite nice and close to the root of the lashes and just gently squeeze and hold at the root just for about 5 seconds, and then move it slightly up midway in your lashes and just hold for another 5 seconds. And what that does, by actually doing like a double hold, you kind of get a nice natural curl. If you do it just all very close, I'll show you on this one, just really close, and you won't be able to see too much because I haven't got mascara on, my lashes are quite fair. If you just do it for sort of 10 seconds close to the base of your lashes, it just potentially could just stick straight up the lash hairs, so you won't actually get that nice curl. So by doing a double curl, so do it once at the base for 5 seconds and then release and curl again slightly further up, so kind of halfway to the end of your lashes, and hold for another 5 seconds if you can. But if it's your first time doing it, just hold for a couple of seconds and just see how you get on. And then obviously you can just apply your mascara straight after. And my lashes are pretty straight, so this is one reason why I always use eyelash curlers, because if I didn't, you wouldn't be able to actually see my lashes very much, even with mascara on, and even with ones with kind of really good curl technology, things like that, if that's possible, they still won't curl that much. So I just find you can just see the lashes so much more if I use the eyelash curlers. And another thing I do find, I like my colossal mascaras by Maybelline. I use them in my kit and I use them in myself, but I do find, because they're slightly different formulas, I do find the waterproof holds the curl better. I don't know whether the formula's slightly lighter and it just holds the curl slightly, well, a lot better actually than a non-waterproof. Don't know why that is. If anybody does know, please let me know. It's obviously something to do with the formula. So hope you've enjoyed that and enjoy curling your lashes. See you soon.